Hey guys, it's Jadel here. So today we are gonna play Demonology. I am alone at this ghost hunting. So we're just gonna. I don't know how to play this, but alone, I don't know, bro. Let's see if the ghost has a laser project. Oh, I'm open that. Okay, here is it. Okay, now they don't have that. So okay, I'm gonna put it here. Ay, never mind. You know what? I can look like this if they have any orbs. I am a pro gamer in Demonology. But there's no codes or okay. Next. Uy, 5. Oh, oh my god. Where where is the ghost? I cannot see anything. We need light. I'm not gonna open the light here. I'm just gonna use this. There. See. Okay. Low. Where? Okay. The ghost is definitely right here. Okay. What about in the garage? Never mind. Let me grab it. Okay, you know what? I'm grabbing this. Wait, no. Here. Then maybe right here. Backlight and then ay. Nani. In. Okay, hanggang only 2. That scares me. Yeah, I know. Wait. Is there any fingerprint? Oh, eh. They are definitely walking. We need wait. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so loud. Okay, go please. Ash. Okay. Ayo. Wait. Okay, there we go. That hurt my ears. Was writing. Is there any ghost orb? Him. No, actually there isn't. Let me try this. I might die. Don't belong here. Why are you here? I am here to do my job. Yes. I forgot how to use this. Oh, hell nah. Alright. Since we got disconnected, we're gonna change games. You know what? We're gonna play Spectre. Let me go. Goddamn. I forgot what blue. Let me open the doors. 18. Okay. Very nice house, I guess. But it's haunted. Goddamn. Oh my god, my basement. Wow. They have the I forgot what I forgot what it's called. The light switch. I don't know. I'm gonna open everything. Oi. Hey, wow. Slay. What's in here? Oh, heck no. Don't do that. Not to me. Oh. Mad. I don't like this. I don't even wanna try going there. Hello. Okay. See the if Uy. Eh. Uy. No. Ah! Oh my god. My whole body shook. Ah! Oh god. Ayun. Wait lang. Wait, where's Uy! Ayun. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so let's watch. Let's set this up. Let me set it up.